Hi there. Today I would like to talk about the insight of concrete batching plant for perfect concrete mixture. Firstly, let's discuss what is a concrete batching plant. A concrete batching plant is a machine that combines various ingredients, such as sand, gravel, water, cement and adhesive solution in precise quantities to produce high-quality concrete. The perfect concrete mixture is crucial for the success of any construction project, and a concrete batching plant plays a vital role in achieving it. The first advantage of using a concrete batching plant is that it ensures consistency in the concrete's quality. The machine has a built-in computer system that ensures that the ingredients are mixed in the right proportions, resulting in a high-quality concrete that is strong and durable. Another advantage of using a concrete batching plant is that it helps to reduce wastage. Concrete batching plants can produce the same amount of concrete with the same quality, even if the amount of ingredients changes. This means that there is no need to waste any concrete, which helps to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Additionally, using a concrete batching plant allows for greater flexibility in the construction process. Concrete can be delivered at the job site in pre-measured portions, which means that the contractor can easily adjust the concrete's strength and consistency according to the specific needs of the project. In conclusion, the insight of concrete batching plant for perfect concrete mixture is undeniable. It ensures consistency in the concrete's quality, reduces wastage, and allows for greater flexibility in the construction process. By using a concrete batching plant, contractors can produce high-quality concrete that is strong and durable, which is essential for any construction project. Thank you for listening.